So, g'day people, how you going? I think I will make these videos in the outback, in the countryside, in the bushland, where I like it. And not inside because, well, a lot of people actually make it inside. But today, let's talk about articles. So articles are a, and da. It doesn't include and. So a, and, da. They are the three that you use. A and you generally use with a singular noun, which is not countable. And da you use as a plural, so more than one thing. So for a tree, so here's a tree in the back. As you can see, this is one tree, so this is a tree. And here, oh, that's a eucalypt, probably a stringy bark. I don't know what species it is. I have to look that up. Probably an ironbark, actually, a eucalypt. And here we have another one, just here. That one's what they call a cherry ballad. It's actually related to pines. And I have to look that up as well. So we have a tree in the background, and we have da trees. So we don't say a trees, it just doesn't sound right. And we don't say an trees, and we don't say an tree. It just doesn't sound right. So in this video, I will go through the alphabet from A to N, and we say which one goes before the letter A or N. So the first letter is A. We have an before the noun. So an aeroplane, an artist, any other noun that starts with an A takes an. And these are for singular, not plural. For B, it's a Bunsen burner, a bushranger. For C, we have a car, a candle. D, a dog, a daffodil. E, an egg, an elephant. F, a frog, a fire. G, a garage, a germ. H, a helicopter, a hieroglyph. I, an igloo, an iceberg. J, a jug, a gigolo. You know what a gigolo is? Look it up. K, a kettle, a kilt. L, a letter, a lout. M, a monster, a motorcycle. So out of those, most of them take A. Those that take N are A, E, and I. So an alphabet, an eggnog, and indigo rainbow serpent. So those are the articles that you put before a noun of those letters. I hope this wasn't too confusing. And in the next video on this, I will make from N to Z, and most of those take A as well. Now these are singular, so we have a eucalyptus tree is behind me. And for plural, we can also use a eucalyptus forest. So there's a difference. I use eucalyptus in the singular, a eucalypt forest, but I use forests as a plural. So a eucalypt forest, or a eucalyptus forest. So you cannot use two plurals together. So you either have eucalypt as a singular and forest as a plural, or eucalyptus as a plural and forest as singular. And both of those you can use a eucalyptus forest, a eucalypt forests. So generally that's how English goes. Hope this wasn't too confusing. If you could leave a comment down below if it was, and have awesome English learning experience, because English is a wonderful language like every other language. And maybe in the future I'm going to ask you what language is your first language and why. I know why you speak it, but why is it unique? Thank you, and have an awesome English learning experience.